Jack of all trades, master of none. There is a saying that is something that I do not ever want to fall into. There are times when it's good to be a jack of all trades. My family is close to another family, and they were in Africa teaching them to irrigate their farms for years. Dirt doctor is the dad, and the daughter is also a doctor. She's in Alaska, and they use floatplanes and tundra tires on planes to fly her all over Alaska, and she does all sorts of medical procedures, whether it's a baby being born, or somebody getting a tetanus shot, or a horse being born, or anything. She is the one-stop shop for sometimes these little villages that don't have the depth or the breadth of care for these people up in the remote villages. Now, here in bigger cities, in California, we don't have to do that. We have enough attorneys, sometimes too many attorneys, and so we can actually choose and be picky. So when people ask me, hey Lenden, can you file a patent? Can you do some transactional work? Can you draft a contract? Can you help me with this family law issue? Or workers' comp? Or how about this criminal issue? I can gladly say, I'm glad I don't even know those judges. They're separate judges, separate rules, separate courtrooms, separate clubs, handshakes. I don't get involved in that at all. But when an aspect of law that we do deal with, which is litigating and resolving disputes in property, in employment, and business disputes, and we're working in those three areas, and it has a crossover with one of those areas, what we do is we get a guy, I know a guy or a gal, somebody who's going to come in and advise us on that specific area of law and give us the information we need to litigate to the end and get some sort of a resolution that everybody's happy with.